Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of dual-motor electric bikes. We've handpicked 5 of the best options on the market right now. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a daily commuter, or someone looking for versatility in their rides, we've got you covered. Stick around to see which bike takes the #1 spot. As always, check the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. Starting off at 5. We have the electric bike for adults Peak 500W by Generic. This is a budget-friendly option that balances convenience and performance for urban commuters. The 500W motor provides enough power to reach a top speed of 23 miles per hour and tackle 25 degrees inclines, making it suitable for moderate trails as well as city roads. The 48V 12 amp-hour removable battery offers a decent range of up to 38 miles in pedal assist mode, and the 4-hour fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime. This bike's standout feature is its portability. The 14-inch frame folds down in just 10 seconds, making it compact enough to fit in a car trunk or store in small apartments. It's also equipped with dual disc brakes, an LED headlight, and an anti-theft alarm system for added safety. However, while it's UL certified and durable, the 260-pound weight capacity and 14-inch wheels might feel limiting for taller or heavier riders. The design is practical, but not as rugged or versatile as the higher-end models on this list. For those looking for a lightweight and affordable e-bike for short commutes, the Generic Peak 500W is a solid choice. However, it lacks the power and features to excel in off-road adventures. If portability and price are your top priorities, this bike is worth considering. Coming in at number 4, we have the StopSad 14 electric bike for adults. This folding e-bike is designed for city dwellers who value convenience and efficiency. Powered by a 500-watt motor, it reaches a top speed of 22 miles per hour and is perfect for daily commutes or running errands around town. The 48V 12 amp-hour removable battery supports a range of up to 22 miles on pedal assist, and its lightweight 48-pound frame makes it one of the most portable options on this list. The StopSad bike offers 3 simple riding modes: all-electric, pedal assist, and manual. While it lacks advanced features like multiple speed settings, this simplicity makes it user-friendly and reliable. The foldable design is a big plus for commuters who need to take their bike on public transport or store it in tight spaces. Safety features include dual disc brakes, a bright LED headlight, and a loud horn, making it suitable for night rides. However, the StopSad bike's smaller 14-inch wheels and limited range might not satisfy riders looking for long-distance performance or off-road capabilities. It's best suited for short urban trips and riders who prioritize portability over power. For its price and purpose, it delivers solid value. At number 3, we have the Movcan V80 electric bike. This is an excellent option for those who want a versatile city cruiser with plenty of power. Its 1,000-watt motor, which peaks at 1,500 watts, delivers a top speed of 28 miles per hour and 80 newton-meters of torque to conquer steep 30 degrees inclines. The 48V 13 amp-hour removable battery provides a range of up to 70 miles in pedal assist mode, making it a great choice for both long commutes and weekend adventures. The Movcan V80 is built for comfort and stability, featuring 26-inch tires, full suspension, and dual disc brakes. The aluminum frame and ergonomic seat ensure a smooth ride on various terrains, from city streets to gravel paths. The multi-function LCD display adds a modern touch, allowing riders to track speed, distance, and battery life. While it's not as rugged as some of the higher-ranked options, its design is sleek and practical. This bike is ideal for urban commuters who value speed and comfort. However, at 60.6 pounds, it's not the lightest option, and the battery capacity, while decent, isn't the best on this list. If you're looking for a stylish and reliable city cruiser with enough power to handle moderate inclines, the Movcan V80 is a strong contender. Taking the number 2 spot is the Hotzi electric motorcycle. This powerhouse features a dual-motor setup with a total peak output of 5,000 watts, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and climb steep 45-degree inclines. Its standout feature is the dual 52-volt 50 amp-hour batteries, which deliver a staggering range of up to 250 miles in pure electric mode, perfect for long-distance riders. The Hotzi bike is built for rugged terrains, with 20-inch fat tires, full suspension, and dual hydraulic disc brakes for superior control and stability. The aluminum frame is lightweight yet durable, and the ergonomic dual seat adds comfort for extended rides. Advanced features like GPS tracking and app control elevate the user experience, making it one of the most tech-savvy options on this list. While the hot seat excels in performance and range, its 113-pound weight and high price tag might deter some buyers. It's best suited for serious riders who need maximum power and versatility for off-road adventures or long commutes. If you're looking for the ultimate long-range e-bike, the Hotzi is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ebike Peak 5,000-watt electric bike. This is the ultimate all-terrain e-bike, featuring dual 2,500-watt motors for a combined peak output of 5,000 watts. With a top speed of 45 miles per hour and the ability to tackle 40 degrees inclines, this bike is built for thrill seekers and adventurers. The 52V32 amp-hour battery offers a range of 35 to 100 miles, depending on your riding mode. And UL-certified safety ensures reliability. The Ebike stands out with its versatility. It offers 6 riding modes, including dual-motor pure electric, pedal assist, and cruise mode. The 24-inch fat tires and hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent traction and stopping power on any terrain, whether you're riding on snow, sand, or rocky trails. Additional features like a rear cargo rack, integrated phone holder, and USB charger add practicality to its high-performance design. While it's not the lightest or cheapest option, the Ebike delivers unparalleled power, range, and versatility. It's perfect for riders who want an all-in-one solution for commuting, outdoor adventures, and everything in between. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the bike to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this comprehensive review of the top 5 dual-motor electric bikes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments which bike you're most excited about, or if you have any questions. Check the description below for product links and more details. See you in the next video.